All right, boys, welcome into Jordan's library. I honestly can't even put it into words how unreal this moment is for me specifically, even just sitting with you guys and filming this right now, because what we've accomplished here today has truly never been done. I'm sure you've seen a lot of people drop free courses. Now, we're not going to drop any names, but a lot of these courses are definitely not up to standard in even being called a course, in my opinion, in the amount of information that they share. And especially in this space alone, but in the entire course industry, I haven't seen anyone that's released something for free that's even close to the level that we've gone ahead and done for you guys. Not even in just the dropshipping space, the entire course space, I've never seen someone execute a free course at this level. And I'm not making statements like this lightly. To give you guys a little perspective of how long this took, just the filming alone has been a 3-month process for me. I've hired multiple full-time employees to get this done, gone through months of web development and video editing, and spent a little over $50,000 to get this in front of your eyes today. This course is over 20 hours of 4K content teaching absolutely everything I have learned in the space of dropshipping and e-commerce for my 7 years of experience. In this time period, I've ran multiple 6 and multiple 7-figure brands. And within this course, I'm even showcasing those stores, those products, and those websites that you guys can see and explaining the strategies I utilize to hit numbers like that. I know it's extremely hard to place value on something that you've gotten for free. And to be honest, I think that's the main reason why nobody's gone ahead and made a free course like this. Not only is this a course with zero gatekeeping, it's an education company with its own custom platform and private community group. And not only am I teaching you guys theoretical knowledge of how to do things, I'm also doing these actions with you. So in this course, there is 4 modules with a bonus module at the end, and we are going to continually be adding content to this course based on what people tell us in the community group. If you guys join the community group and let me know, hey, this video needs a little bit more work, this needs a little bit more explaining, I didn't really understand this, then we're going to be making new videos for you and adding them into the course. But like I said, I don't just teach this, I actually start a new brand with you in this course and document the entire process from finding the product, which is this, by the way, it's a cupping device. I show the entire process of me finding this product on social media. I show me researching different brands that are selling it and ensuring that I can outcompete them. I can make better websites, I can make a better video ad than them. And most importantly, I knew that I could source this product cheaper than the competitor so I could sell it at a better price point and make a higher profit margin. I show that entire process. I show me building my website, which is thenewcup.com. You can go check it out right now. You guys get that template 100% free as a one-click download that you can import into your store, switch out the images, switch out the product, and you're ready to go with a very high converting website. I show me filming my video ads, editing them, posting them as organic, and then scaling them as paid ads later on. And within that 2-week time period, I was able to do $10,000 in sales and profit $2,000 on that, on a brand new product, brand new website, a brand new brand with new organic video ads that have never been tested before, and still I was able to get results that good. So I hope you can see the level of value that's in here. And honestly, value is something that's in the eyes of the beholder. For a lot of you that go through this course, I'll be honest, you're not going to see too much value in it because your perception is tainted by the fact that you were able to just make an account and log in and be here with no barrier of entry, no resistance. And this is the exact reason that nobody's making free courses right now. And if they are, it's a very, very shitty video series. Maybe it's like an hour, 2 hours long. It's on Kajabi, a platform that they just have to plug the videos into and it's done. And ultimately, it's just a cheap funnel to get you to buy their real course later. And the reason everyone's doing this is because people don't place value on free information. It's so easy for you to brush this off as not really having much value because you didn't have to pay for it. You didn't have to place any value on it. But I can absolutely promise you guys from the bottom of my heart, anyone that goes through this course is going to be equipped with every tool they need to completely change their life. I'm not exaggerating this in the slightest. This course has absolutely everything you need, from spirituality, meditation, vision boards. As you can see, I have one right here, but behind there's 3 more, and then there's 3 more right here. You can see on the side camera, there's 2 right there, and then there's 1 in this side corner. So I'm not just teaching you about drop shipping and business. I'm teaching you about spirituality, success, abundance, affirmations, journaling, and how to really have the foundation for success. We have book recommendations. We have daily schedules, dopamine detoxes, PDFs for you guys to download for every single video inside of this course. And we have a private community group where you can get one-on-one private access to me through daily live streams and through my team of personally handpicked student success managers. These are people that have gone through the course. They have ran successful stores and they know how to answer every single one of your questions. These people are direct parts of my team and they are inside the private community group there to answer all of your questions, and then I'll be there live almost almost every single day, answering your questions, bonding with you guys, and ensuring that you're on the correct path through this journey of dropshipping and e-commerce. One of the biggest things I've realized is it's not really about the program you're going through. It's not really about the information you're given. It's about the community that you can call to in time of need. And to be completely honest, I think the community group is the absolute best place you could be for dropshipping and e-commerce if you're trying to take this serious, if you're trying to go to the next level and actually take control of your life. There truly isn't a better place that you could be than inside this free course and inside the community group with me. And I really do not make these statements lightly. The amount of work that has been put into this, the amount of intention and time, this has been over a year process now to try to get this to life. And I can wholeheartedly say that there is no one that's doing it like we're doing it. I can challenge you guys, if you've paid for a course in the past, or if you're interested in paying for someone's course, go buy it and compare it to this one, and I can guarantee you there is nothing that comes close to what I've created for you guys today. And I'll be honest with you guys, this course is a lot. This is extremely hard to go through. If you were to watch through every second of this course and truly take action on absolutely everything that I say, then this will truly be one of the biggest challenges of your life. Inside just the first module alone, I have you guys doing dopamine detoxes, extremely strict protocols, creating vision boards, doing daily affirmations, and truly teaching you how to consciously create a new identity for yourself, a new life for yourself. Just the first module alone, going through that diligently, honestly, and not cutting any corners is a couple week process to do correctly. And that's just the first module. We still have 3 others plus a bonus module that teaches you how to put out fires and really deal with some issues that you're gonna have happen inside your store. In module 2, I show you guys some of my stores, and I teach you how to build a skyscraper, how to build a genuine brand that has that 7 and 8 figure potential. This course is not just on drop shipping and running little shitty 6-figure stores. I teach you guys how to find winning products and how to wrap these products in brands that sell emotions to people. In module 2, we have one video alone that's an hour and 32 minutes of me doing live product research with you guys, teaching you what to do. I even have private connections with almost every company that you guys need to utilize, like Shopify, like TikTok, like Commercive for your 3PL team. So you guys are getting deals and special treatment with these companies because they understand that I have a free course that's going to be bringing in hundreds of thousands of eyeballs that can be directed to their brand. So they have worked with me privately on this. Commercive, for example, the 3PL company you guys are going to be working with, I have the phone number of the owner, and I have all of these connections built for you guys to get the absolute best treatment. And all of the companies that I'm recommending you guys using are the exact ones that I use on my past stores and my current stores. There is absolutely nothing in this course that is ingenuine in the slightest. So in module 2, that's where a lot of the theoretical stuff is, teaching you guys what to look for, and then I obviously do it with you in some of the episodes. But module 3, cutting the tree, is where we really start diving into taking action and where I start doing these processes with you guys for the rest of the course. We go over legal troubles, AI, how to name your brand, how to design your logo, how to set up your store, and how to build your website, which is really easy because you just have to do a one-click download on it. I show you what apps to get. I show you how to integrate with your 3PL, how to import the product that you want to start selling, how to start creating content for your brand, posting on organic, and really crushing that sector. In module 4, we go over credit cards, testing strategies for your video ads, how to read your analytics and your data, how to create content with UGC creators, how to set up Facebook, how to start running your ads there, and how to start building your team with virtual assistants, which I also give you guys personal connections to the virtual assistants I've been using for years. I teach you guys how to scale, how to track all of your data, and even go over some legal issues that you need to be thinking of to ensure that your brand is going to be safe on its journey to 7 and 8 figures. This course is focused on e-commerce. It's called Ecom with Jordan 2.0, not Dropshipping with Jordan 2.0. Dropshipping is truly just the first couple steps that we take on the journey of e-commerce, where we create real brands, real products, start working with real influencers, and scaling this up into something we can truly be proud of. So that wraps up the course, and now I want to talk a little bit about the paid community group and how you guys can join if you're interested. I'm going to go over things slightly briefly, and if you want more information, there's a button in the top right corner of your screen that lets you join the paid community group and see a little bit more information on what's inside of there. But essentially, I'm creating the #1 spot for anyone who is on the path of dropshipping and e-commerce. The #1 place for you to go to get all of your questions answered, but most importantly, a place where you can be with peers, with people that are on the same path as you, trying to better their life, people that aren't going to the bars every weekend, people that have had to cut off a lot of their friends to pursue the life they truly desire. And when you do that, when you enter this path of entrepreneurship, it's very lonely. I can promise you guys, this office that I'm sitting in now, I have been glued in here for the past 7 years since I graduated high school in 2016. And I can promise you, it's been extremely extremely lonely. There has not been many people physically in Utah that I can relate with, that I can really like sit down and talk about business with and talk about my problems and my issues and my struggles. There's no one I can really relate to because nobody's doing this path. Nobody's taking this pursuit. Everyone's out there drowning away their problems with drinking and smoking 24/7, going to parties, spending money, scrolling on TikTok all day, and not really living intentionally at all. So not only is this community group a place where you can get one-on-one access to me and my trusted student success managers that have the capabilities to make sure that you're directly on the correct path with your store, it's also a place you can have friends. You can have a community of people that understand you, that are on the same path as you. When you talk about your emotions, your feelings, your challenges, they can actually understand them and, most importantly, relate with them and be there for you. And that's what this community group is focused on. But I'm going to leave things there. If you're interested in the community group and you want to get a one-on-one connection with me, then definitely go make sure to check the button in the top right corner of your screen. Now, I don't want to keep this video long because there's truly 20 hours of content ahead of you. But the last thing I want to say and really drill in your guys' head with this is I hope you can put importance and value inside of this course. I hope you can feel my heart, my intentions, and my purpose for creating this for you. I truly hope you understand the level of opportunity that's in your hands right now. Anyone else that's in this position that I am with the knowledge that I have, the experience that I have, is charging $3,000 to $5,000 on a course that's not even as good as this, that's not even as in depth or as high production as what you're seeing today. And ultimately, it was a hard decision. This is a course that I could sell access to for $3,000 to $5,000, especially with the community group. And I really thought about it. I truly did. But my focus is I want to change this community. This community is extremely toxic with fake gurus, scam artists selling multiple courses. There's people I could call out right now that are openly scamming, and I am very aware of it, acting like they're running certain stores when those stores are ran by my students. Ultimately, this entire industry is just completely toxic, and I don't want to be on the same side as them selling information. I want to make a difference, and I want to give a chance to people that can't afford to spend so much money on just information when you already have to spend money on starting your Shopify store, on buying a lot of these services and these products that you need to create a business that's successful. So instead of paying me for the information and paying these other services and companies that you have to utilize to create your brand, I went and privately made partnerships with all of the companies that you have to use anyways and got affiliate links with them. Meaning that when you sign up for Shopify, when you start working with Commercive and you use the links that are on this course, that is how I get paid. It doesn't cost you an extra penny. It doesn't cost you absolutely anything at all to use those links. So I figured this is the biggest win-win scenario that could ever be created. And it gives me the beautiful opportunity to share all of my information that I've learned over the years to the people that truly care about it and truly want to see success in their life. If this is something that I could have had in 2016 when I just started, I would probably be 3 or 4, potentially even 5 years ahead of where I'm at now. And that's because this information isn't just a course on dropshipping. It's truly a course on success. So I know I've rambled quite a bit, but the last thing I want to say is if you believe in yourself, if you believe in me, and you believe in the opportunity that you have here today, then I would love to take the first step with you and start our journey off right now. And we're going to be doing that by starting our free trial with Shopify and truly take the first step of this journey together. So right below this video is a Shopify link. If you click on that, it obviously does help me out. There's 0 obligations. If you just want to go to Shopify, you guys can do that. This course is completely set up on trust, but please know that the affiliate links below the video is the only way that I can get this course to you guys for free. So it really does mean the world to me if you use those links. So first things first, we're going to click on this and put in a good email address. Then we're going to hit start our free trial now. And right now you guys only have to pay $1 for 2 months of Shopify, which is absolutely amazing. Ultimately, all the links that are below these videos are going to give you the best deal that the company's offering at the current moment. And right now for Shopify, that's $1 for 2 months of service. So we're going to hit start our free trial. We can hit skip all right here, and it's going to verify and start creating our account for us. And it's going to bring us into the dashboard. It might ask you a couple questions of personal information. Just put those in quickly and then come here and hit select a plan. So there's a bunch of different Shopify plans. We just need to get set up with the basic one. This Shopify one and this advanced one is just when you're really making a ton of money on your store. And basically what you're doing it for is to cut down the payment processing fees right here. So we don't need to get started with that. This is $300 a month, $80 a month. We just need to get started with the $1 for the first 2 months. So this is our first step on this long journey together. We're going to hit choose basic. We want to make sure to hit monthly though. We don't want to be paying yearly. Hit confirm billing cycle and put in your information. Once you put in your address, then you're going to need to put in in a credit card. And if you're looking to learn a lot of information about credit cards, there is a ton that I go over in this course. But if you just have a debit card for now, that's totally fine. And once that's all in, we're going to hit subscribe at the bottom. It's only going to charge us $1. And then after the 2 months, it should charge us that $40 a month to run our store. We can hit no thanks on this POS offer, and we are ready to go. We have the basic plan going, and our journey is truly starting today. I want to personally thank you for being in this program with me and watching this video to the end. I truly hope you guys put this at a high value, because there are so many people that are just going to go through this course nonchalantly. They're not going to really care about it. They're not going to have a deep emotion tied to it because they got it for free. Maybe they saw a video ad, they saw an organic video from me on TikTok or something, and they were able to come into the website, create an account in 2 seconds, and be watching this first video, get access to all of this. And there's not really a concept of how much value that is really in here when you were able to just get in so fast and so easily. But I know I've rambled on far longer than I should have. I just want to say I truly love you guys so much, and I'm so excited to be able to give this opportunity to you guys. Teaching is something that really just means the world to me. It's so aligned with my soul and my purpose, and I truly am honored to present this to you guys. I really know the level of importance I have in my duty to you guys in getting this information to you and truly helping you go from 0 to 1, to go from a life of mediocrity, fear, self-doubt, and translate it into something that's a conscious life that you created based on your desires, your passions, and your dreams. And the fact that I'm able to give that to you guys means the world to me. So with that being said, please enjoy the 20 hours of content ahead of you, and I hope to see you in the community group, jumping on live streams with me where I can learn your name, learn your guys' goals, your dreams and desires, and make sure to help you get them. Quick reminder, boys, below this video is a personal commitment pledge. This is an opportunity for you to quite literally make a contract level commitment to yourself. Please make sure you print this out, you sign it, you put the date, and as you can see, my signature is at the bottom of this, as well as we are going to be doing this journey together. After signing this, please make sure to put it either on your vision board or somewhere next to your computer where you will see it daily. This may seem silly, but I promise you this is going to take things to the next level when you make a genuine commitment to yourself. I love you guys so much. I hope to meet and connect with you in the community group, and I'll be seeing you in the other videos.